Welcome to FNC Charts version 2.0. First, we're going to have a look at how to change the basic look and feel with a few clicks. FNC Charts has been built with rapid application development in mind. Drop the control on the form, adjust the look and feel, load data from a database, a file, or any other data structure, and everything is fully customizable, not only at design time, but also at runtime. And the designer is also accessible to you at design time, and you may publish it for your end users at runtime. This video will focus on adjusting the look and feel with a few clicks. Let's get started with a new VCL Windows application. And the tool palette will find TMS FNC chart. And new in version number 2 is that you no longer just have the FNC chart, you also have different chart types pre-configured in subclasses. So the line chart or the bar chart is just a click away. Drop the bar chart and you immediately get default colors, default formatting that makes sense, that matches the design of your form. However, the new appearance property makes adjusting the look and feel even easier. Let's align the form on the client area and expand the new appearance property. First, we have the color scheme. The color scheme allows us to influence if we want to pick the colors for our different series from a color list. A list has been pre-configured inside of the control that makes sure that the colors don't look too similar between different series. For example, blue and red is a very good contrast for the first two series. The other colors that will be added later on also make sure they're very much distinguishable. What the colors are, you can see in the color list. 10 colors are pre-configured. You can add more. You can also change the order depending on your target audience. But not only the color list is possible, default colors of Excel have been added, and also the monochromatic look. The monochromatic color scheme depends on the monochrome color. Right now it's set to steel blue. Let's switch it to tomato, and you see that the colors are all chromatic based on the chosen color. However, let's switch back to the default color list and look at another amazing property, because I think these numbers are too small, and that can easily be changed by adjusting the size of the font using the global font property. Let's set it to 12. And all the other depending properties like title, axis titles, labels will be adjusted accordingly. And even the font itself, right now it's a standard font that is being inherited from the form, can be adjusted easily. Let's change this to JetBrains Mono. With just a few clicks, we have created an attractive, modern chart. Of course, all these values of the appearance property can be accessed at a runtime as well. Let's rename the chart to make it easily accessible in code to chart. Switch to the source code, go to the form create event. At design time, we set the color scheme to CSS color list. Let's switch to Excel as soon as the form is created. You can type chart appearance dot color scheme equals CSS Excel. And when running the application, we find out that the Excel color scheme is used. And because we aligned everything to the client area of the form, the chart resizes nicely when we resize the form. Just as a reminder, FNC Charts is available for the VCL, FireMonkey, and TMS Web Core for your web application development needs. That means you can deliver your software for Microsoft Windows, Apple macOS, Linux, and even the Raspberry Pi. To find out more, go to fnc.tmssoftware.com.